Using AI to manage daily life can feel like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. Imagine waking up to a gentle nudge from your AI alarm. It picks the perfect outfit based on the weather and your schedule. Breakfast? No worries. It suggests a quick, healthy recipe in seconds. As I dive into the workday, I let AI tools handle my calendar. They schedule meetings, remind me of important deadlines, and even prioritize tasks. With the right apps, it feels like I'm breezing through my to-do list without the usual stress, making the day so much smoother. For lunch and fitness, AI shines again. It generates meal plans that cater to my dietary needs and tracks my workouts. I find myself enjoying healthy meals and staying active without too much hassle. As the day winds down, AI finds the best shows to binge watch or suggests a cozy reading list. It really helps me disconnect and recharge. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's build this community together.